Hello friends, welcome to the Trading Temple channel. Today we are going to analyze the C chart. As you can see, C is close to 13.5 cents and today it is almost 1% higher and the price has gone up and the entire crypto market is almost stable today and Bitcoin is also close to $91,000. Well, as we can see on the chart, we talked about this coin a week ago. We said that it is near a very strong support level, which is between 13 cents and 14 cents. This support level is, and you can see that the price has been able to hold this support level so far. What is very important here is that this support level must continue to be held. And in the next move, it can cross this line that I drew here and can go above 14.5 cents, almost breaking the daily close. But so far it has not been able to do this, and the bounce that it made here was a very weak bounce and did not have any strong volume. So far we have seen, you see the volume is very low, and unfortunately we didn't see any large healthy volumes here. Most altcoins are experiencing the same thing in this area. Bitcoin's price has gone up from $80,000 to $92,000, but for example, you can see that a coin like C has not been able to show any good performance so far, and all altcoins have had almost the same performance so far. The important thing is that this support level should be held. If it is held, we still believe that we can estimate that there is a possibility of a higher one, a move higher, that this coin can move near, for example, 16 cents or even close to 19 cents. Up to this 4-hour frame that we observe, you can see that a very heavy resistance has been created here, and every time it has been able to pass it, it has not been able to do this and has been rejected. But if it can go up, it will hit a good resistance for a while in this area. If we draw a box, you can see that between 15 cents and close to 16 cents is another heavy resistance, and for a while it can make things difficult here. But if it can pass this area, it is likely that the price can go up to 19 cents to 20 cents. The conditions are very difficult. You can also see that for those who are long-term investors, you can see that this coin has a very heavy trend line, that it has been tested 3 times, and each time it has been rejected and the price has fallen by about 60% or 70%. And you can see here that it has been tested 3 times in this section and has not been able to pass it and go up, and now it is in a very difficult situation. If this support level that we have talked about for a long time is lost, the next price can go down by 10 cents and there will be a sharp price drop. From here to 10 cents, the price can go down by about 20 to 25%. This is very similar to the market cap of this coin. The market cap chart is different from the price chart. Versus Bitcoin, if you look, you can see that it is now near a very strong support level. That is why this support level is matched with the support level that you see in the main price. If we look at the market cap and see where its main support level is, you can see that where it is now, there is almost no strong support level. The main support level C is in this area, which is between $650 million and $690 million. You can see that if the price falls from here, it is almost the same 23% that we saw on the chart, which could bring the price to close to 10 cents. In the next move, if Bitcoin falls and goes to $75,000, we will see this price. If we go to the Bitcoin chart and show what it's doing right now, because you know that when you want to analyze an altcoin, your main focus has to be on Bitcoin, since Bitcoin is the ultimate decision maker. On the Bitcoin chart, you can see that after this beautiful bounce it had here, after it hit the 100-week moving average and had a very good bounce, it has now hit a resistance, approximately a 4-hour resistance. In the 4-hour time frame, if we go there, you can see that it has a very heavy resistance here. And we estimated that it would hit this area. It's possible that the price will be rejected right from here and head towards the next support. For now, nothing is certain. The first touch it had was rejected, and we have to see what happens in the next few days, meaning next week. Bitcoin's main support is near $75,000. But if Bitcoin can break past this 4-hour resistance, its next heavy resistance is near $100,000. which is a very strong resistance. And on the other hand, you can see that the 50-day moving average is slowly coming down, and it's highly probable that in this region, Bitcoin will face a serious problem. Meaning, even if Bitcoin manages to break past this region and go up, it will most likely be rejected here and come down to this area. And here we have to see what happens. Will Bitcoin have enough momentum left to go back up or not? But it's highly probable that it could be rejected here and head towards the next support, which would be roughly in this region. And it would be a very heavy move, a heavy drop, which would cause the coin we were talking about to also go down to 10 cents. And this event could repeat for Bitcoin, meaning the price could go towards $100,000 here, get rejected, go down, and test its next support, which is near $75,000. Because right now, Bitcoin's structure is really bearish and it's slowly moving downwards. The move you're seeing here, the bounce that happened, is because Bitcoin was very oversold. You can see that on the RSI, it had gone below the 30 level, and despite that, it managed to have a good bounce. And in the weekly time frame, as I said, it had hit the 100-week moving average and made a good bounce. You can also see the 50-week moving average is in this region. And really, for Bitcoin, the $100,000 level is a really tough task, and the probability of rejection is 80%. We have to see what happens in the next few days. Right now, there's nothing bullish and everything looks concerning for the crypto market. I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. And don't forget, the game of trading is never 100% certain and everything is based on probability. Until the next video, goodbye.